everyone, welcome back to my channel KANYA Art and Craft. This is Devopriya और आज मैं आप सबके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा वीडियो। थंबनेल देख के तो शायद से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा। हम बनाने वाले हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स एंड डिफरेंट वैरायटी के DIY हैंडमेड इयररिंग्स। बहुत ही बेसिक घर में जो सामान रखा हुआ होता है उसी सामान को यूज करके हम ये DIY बनाने वाले हैं। So without further ado, let's get started.
Here I have taken a piece of Buckram, placing small square shaped mirrors using this jewellery glue. And here comes small colorful micro bits. I'm using thread and needle because it's easier to place it in that way. First I'm using this blue color to frame the mirror. Likewise we will use different shade bits, applying glue, adding a line of yellow bits. Adding a layer of orange. Now adding another line with blue color. This is the last layer. I have added multicolor layer now, and the last layer I'm adding golden bits to finish it off. On a piece of small buckram, I'm adding one small mirror. Now again framing the mirror with some different colorful bits. Adding golden on the last layer, trimming the extras to give it a finished look. And this is how they look. Now we will turn upside down and apply some glue on the back side, sticking a small piece of buckram on the back side while sticking these two pieces together. Here I'm using hot glue gun to stick them together. Now I'm taking few flat ear stud pin and some locks. First pricking a piece of buckram with a pin, and now with the help of hot glue gun we will attach this pin on the back side of the earring. And now I'm adding the locks. And our colorful pair of stud earring is ready. Aren't these earrings looking gorgeous? Why to spend on expensive trendy designs when you can create your own customized ones at home? है ना ये एक बहुत बढ़िया आइडिया? Now let's move on to our second design. Here I have taken a pink color fabric and an embroidery frame. On the back side of the fabric I have attached buckram. You just have to iron the buckram and the fabric together, and the buckram will get attached to the fabric automatically. Sticking two medium sized square shaped mirror, and now I'm framing the corners of the mirrors using satin stitch. Here I'm using parrot green color satin thread. Shades of the thread you can choose according to your outfit color. Applying jewellery glue on the sides and adding 2 layers of blue color glass beads to enhance the look of the design. And this is how they look. I just love the color combination. Trimming the extra fabric, and now I'm cutting the corners, and I'll fold the extra fabric on the back side of the earring using hot glue gun. Here I'm taking two pink pom pom, stitching the pom pom on the bottom part of the stud like this, and then adding 3 Ghungroo charms. Following the same process, I'm pricking the buckram with a stud pin, and using hot glue gun will stick them together on the back side of the earring. और ये हो गया हमारा ब्यूटीफुल से इयररिंग्स रेडी। है ना कितना आसान? आप इसको किसी भी कलर के आउटफिट के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो। I'm sure this colorful earring will add extra vibrance to your outfit. Now let's move on to our third design. Here I'm using a square piece of cardboard, applying glue and sticking it to a piece of fabric, cutting the fabric in 2 parts, and now I'm cutting the corners so that we can cover the cardboard using the same fabric. Applying red acrylic paint, Now I'm using white acrylic paint to draw some design on the surface. डिज़ाइन आप अपने चॉइस के अनुसार ले सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पे ज्योमेट्रिकल पेजली बना रही हूँ and I'm using 00 size brush to draw the design. On the bottom corner of the earring, I'm stitching one fabric bit and a Kauri shell along with some Ghungroo charms on the sides. I'm adding 3 Ghungroo charms on both the sides. Here I have taken a fabric, fixed it on an embroidery frame and sticking 2 round shaped medium size mirror on that. Now I'm framing the mirror using buttonhole stitch, applying glue on the sides and adding a line of micro white color glass beads. Then adding a line of red color glass beads. Now I'm trimming the extras and cutting few notches around the design. And then I will fold it like this to give it a nice finish. Now the stud design of the earring is ready. Here I'm taking few ear pins and lock and using hot glue gun I'm fixing it on the back side of the stud. Sticking a piece of buckram on the back side of the ear stud to give it a good finish. Now it's time to assemble both the pieces together. Here I'm using 2 connector pin and sticking these 2 parts of the earrings together using hot glue gun. To secure the earrings, I'm putting one small piece of buckram on the back side of the earring. And here is how our gorgeous red and white themed earrings turned out. I absolutely love them. I have that red and white outfit in my mind while I was designing this earring and it came out exactly how I imagined. आप सबको ये ईयरिंग डिज़ाइन कैसा लग रहा है कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. Moving to our fourth design. On the same pink color fabric, I'm sticking 2 triangular shaped mirror. Here I'm using satin embroidery to frame the mirror. Using purple color silk thread for this embroidery as I was looking for a little bit of shine on the final outcome. Applying glue on the outer part of the mirror embroidery and then I'm adding golden micro beads. This is how the final stud looks like. Now I'll trim the extra part, folding and sticking the fabric on the back side of the stud using hot glue gun. Now I'm stitching some golden beads and a purple dangler on the bottom. Following the same process, I'll add 4 lines of the same design. Stitching properly to secure everything together. And our gorgeous purple danglers are ready. You can pair this kind of dangler with any kind of outfit. Colors you can choose according to your outfit color. जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे purple thread and purple dangler use किया to enhance the look. आप वैसे ही अपने हिसाब से color choose कर सकते हो. Now let's move on to our fifth design. Here I have taken a piece of indigo fabric and 2 pieces of rectangular shape cardboard. Now I'm sticking this 2 cardboard on the fabric like this, cutting them in 2 parts. I'll trim the corners so that I can fold the fabric on the back side of the earring to form a base. Applying glue and covering the cardboard with the fabric. Here I'm using few different shapes mirror to decorate the surface of the earring. Now I'm using yellow color 3D outliner to draw a border on the earring. These yellow lines will give the effect of run stitch. Now I'm stitching some Ghungroo charms on the bottom part of the earring. And our earrings are ready. Now we will fix the stud pin on the back side of the earring using hot glue gun. And they are looking just perfect. And the sound of these Ghungroo charms are adding extra bling to the look. But you can pair this kind of earring with your indigo kurti or sari or maybe a white color outfit. This is it for today. I have tried to share different variety of design using very basic material. I hope you'll find the ideas useful. And regarding the basic raw materials for making jewelries, I will provide links of everything that requires to make jewelry at home and the products that I have used in this video. Please do let me know your thoughts on the earrings that we have created today. If you have any questions or suggestions, or you would like to see more such jewelry making videos, feel free to drop a message. Don't forget to share if you found these videos helpful, or subscribe karna mat bhuliega. See you in the next video. Bye for now.